For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Prajwal D'Souza. The United Nations has released its first ever guidelines on access to social justice for people with disabilities to make it easier for them to access justice systems around the world. The guidelines outline a set of 10 principles and detail the steps for implementation. In a survey, the World Bank has stated that 1 billion people, or 15% of the world's population, experience some form of disability, and disability prevalence is higher for developing countries. Now, 1/5 of the estimated global total, or between 110 million to 190 million people, experience significant disabilities. The survey by the World Bank also states that poverty may increase the risk of disability through malnutrition, inadequate access to education and healthcare, unsafe working conditions, a polluted environment, and lack of access to safe water and sanitation. The main objective of the module is to explore the barriers to access to justice frequently faced by persons with disabilities and to consider steps to overcome them. Now, who is a disabled person according to the UN? The UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which was adopted in 2007 as the first major instrument of human rights in the 21st century, defines persons with disabilities as those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairments which in interaction with various barriers may hinder their full and effective participation in the society on an equal basis with others. Now, examples of barriers of justice according to the UN are: first one is legislation, regulations, policies or practices expressly barring people with disabilities from being witnesses, jurors, judges or lawyers. The second is lack of training for police and other officials to enable them to understand the specific needs of people with disabilities in accessing justice and how to provide the necessary accommodation. The third is lack of accessible information on how the justice system works and what the rights and responsibilities of persons with disabilities are within the justice system. The fourth is physical barriers to police stations, courthouses, jails, prisons and other buildings. Next is a lack of accessible transportation to police stations, courthouses and other public buildings or to service providers whose work is to relevant administration of justice, such as health workers that gather forensic evidence. Next one is lack of accommodation to facilitate communication by people with disabilities, especially blind, deaf and blind people, people with intellectual disabilities and people with learning disabilities. Now, what are these guidelines issued by the UN? The UN says all people with disabilities have the legal capacity and therefore no one shall be denied access to justice on the basis of disability. The second is facilities and services must be universally accessible to ensure equal access to justice without discrimination of persons with disabilities. The next one is persons with disabilities, including children with disabilities, have the right to appropriate procedural accommodations. Next one is persons with disabilities have the right to access legal notices and information in a timely and accessible manner or on an equal basis with others. The persons with disabilities are entitled to all substantive and procedural safeguards recognized in the international law on an equal basis with others. States must also provide necessary accommodation to guarantee due process. Now, people with disabilities also have the right to free and affordable legal assistance. Persons with disabilities have the right to participate in administration of justice on an equal basis with others. Now, people with disabilities also have the rights to report complaints and initiate legal proceedings concerning human rights violations and crimes, have their complaints investigated and afforded effective remedies. The next guideline is effective and robust monitoring mechanisms play a critical role in supporting access to justice for persons with disabilities. All those working in the justice system must be provided with awareness raising and training programs addressing the rights of people with disabilities, in particular to the context of access to justice. Now, these were the major guidelines issued by the UN for people with disabilities. If you like this video, click on the like button, comment down below, share the video and subscribe to News9 on all the social media platforms. Thank you for watching.